Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to private an account on X. So let's go to X. Now you want to type a profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and in this menu you have to go to settings and privacy right here. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You have to go to section that's called privacy and safety. Now let's go to audience and tagging, and at the very top of your page you should see this option that's called protect your posts. This is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. So let's turn this on. And from the moment that you make your account private, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and any new people who want to follow you on X must send you a request to follow you. And let me show you how to find those requests. You want to type a profile picture, and now in this menu you have different sections. You want to tap on follower requests. So from here you can manage them. You can accept them by using this button or decline them by using this cross button. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.